So I got a chance to see the Rivian R1t up close and in person. And as soon as this truck pulled up to the event, everyone stopped what they were doing, turned, and pulled out their phones to record this truck. So lots of hype around Rivian, and here's what I saw up close. First off, this truck is just huge. Even living in the US, sometimes I forget just how big trucks are. And this is a full-size truck. Even though the bed is a little bit short, it is still lifted and big enough for up to 5 passengers pretty comfortably. This spec came in the Rivian blue color, which is just gorgeous, and with all the options, it had a price of just under $80,000 retail. This assumes that it has the large pack, which gives you 314 miles of EPA estimated range. This spec sat on the 20-inch all-terrain tires, so nice and beefy, and it also came with the off-road package, so you'll see up front it has the tow hooks, and then it's also got the reinforced underbody underneath the truck. And the focus with Rivian is that off-road and adventure capability, so tons of storage in this car. Up front, you've got this gigantic frunk, and if it isn't big enough already, there's actually an additional storage below this bottom piece for charging cables or the locking gear guard cable. On the sides, you've got access to the gear tunnel, which unfortunately didn't come with the pull-out kitchen options, but it did come with some humans, and it is big enough to crawl through, so plenty of extra room here. You've also got additional storage on the steps on either side of this gear tunnel for first aid kits or other smaller items. Being a pickup truck, you've got the bed, obviously, and that includes an air compressor. And since the spec had the adventure package, it also has a powered bed cover. That adventure package also adds some details like natural grain ash wood on the interior, and it also includes perforated vegan leather seats since there are both heated and ventilated seats with this upgrade. We weren't able to sit on the interior, unfortunately, but I can tell you this is the biggest EV I've seen in person so far. Plenty of interior space and a good setup so everyone feels comfortable. And that is about all I had the time to take a look at, but I think Rivian has done a really good job building this truck for those that want to go off-roading, camping, or just have adventures. It is truly an electric adventure vehicle, and Rivian is a good one to have on your list if that's what you're looking for out of an EV. That's all for this video, but I am looking to set up a full test drive and get some more film time with the Rivian. So if you'd like to see anything specific in that video, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.